Hi, in this video we are going to show you how to create a training dataset from the Hopsworks Feature Store using the Java or Scala API. For this, we are going to open the Jupyter Notebook from the Hopsworks landing page to create a connection with the Feature Store and get the Feature Store handle. Using the Feature Store handle, we are going to get 3 feature groups which we need to create our training datasets. In the next step, we are going to join these feature groups using Feature Store query object and select which features we want to join from each group. We can preview how the join data frame looks like, and now we are ready to create our training dataset object where we will provide name, version, description, data format. In this case, I want to create a TF record dataset, then I want to compute statistics and define splits. On this training dataset object, we will issue the save method, and this will save our training dataset to a file system or object store such as a bucket in S3. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.